Are you interested in getting into the cybersecurity industry? Plenty of people are ready to make the jump, but don't know what they are getting themselves into. You're about to learn everything you need to know before starting a career in cybersecurity. In this video, I'm going to reveal why transitioning into a cybersecurity career might be the best choice you can ever make, how to transition into a cybersecurity career from scratch, the best cybersecurity certifications you need to easily get a job in this industry, and the #1 cybersecurity career development resources to advance your skills. So, make sure you stick around to the end of this video to learn the very best path you should take before starting a career in cybersecurity. But before I reveal everything, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's really going to help me with the algorithm so that I can grow this channel. Done that? All right, let's go. The industry. If you've chosen to transition into cybersecurity, then first of all, congratulations. You've just made one of the best choices of your life. It's the perfect time to get into the industry because companies all around the world are understaffed. More than half of the cybersecurity teams report that they don't have enough workers. So they're always on the lookout for new talent and ready to offer you good money to get involved. Entry-level jobs are available to a lot of cybersecurity students or people with experience in a related field. If you already have a degree in something like IT, then a graduate certificate program might be the way to go. If you are starting from scratch, then the best degrees for cybersecurity are computer science, computer programming, or database management. You should get in touch with your local university or talk to professionals working in the field. The earlier you have an idea of which direction you want to take in cybersecurity, the more direct your path can be. No time wasted. Getting certified. But first, you are going to have to prepare yourself for everything involved in the job. And one of the best ways to do that is to get a certificate that people in the industry accept. Cybersecurity is a unique profession. It's one where you won't necessarily require a degree. If you can prove yourself to be good enough at the job, you're hired. But for bigger companies, sometimes that's not enough. 57% of the jobs available still require at least some kind of certification. There are two main ones you should know about. The first one is the Certified Information System Security Professional, or CISSP for short. And the second one is the Certified Information Security Manager, or CISM. Either one of these will cost around $700 to get, but you can't just walk in the door and apply. It's a test, so you'll have to study a lot before going in. However, be mindful that they require some experience in the field, so it might be something to consider a few years down the line. But if you come out on the other side with the piece of paper, it's your key to thousands of jobs all around the world. Online resources. In the age of the internet, everything is online. That means two things. Firstly, you have an entire world of information about the cybersecurity field at your fingertips, so you can stay up to date with all of the latest in the industry. If you want to stand out from the other job seekers, keeping your nose to the ground about cyber trends, technologies, and methods is your best way to do it. After all, if you are in cybersecurity, your job will be to stay one step ahead of the latest cyber criminals. Plus, in the age of a pandemic, many traditional university courses are offered online too. That means that acquiring a degree can be easier than ever before. Not only that, but you will have plenty of websites, forums, and communities to help you along with your studies. Your parents and grandparents will be jealous of how easy it is to find all the answers. So, how can you build a career in cybersecurity? Well, the answer to that question is in the description below. You see, cybersecurity professionals are in such high demand that companies are offering great salaries to attract new talent and even better salaries to those advancing their skills. Some cybersecurity professionals are now charging $2,500 per day. Yes, high demand means great paychecks. So what does that global shortage mean for you? It means opportunity. If you join the VIP membership at Station X Cybersecurity School, you'll get unlimited access to all the training material you need to become a highly paid cybersecurity professional. Check out the link in the description below to sign up for a big discount. Now, back to the video. The right path. The best thing about being in the cybersecurity industry is the opportunities it provides. You'll be able to work in the private or public sector, and once you find what specialization you're interested in, there's no limit. The average salary is between $95,000 and $160,000 a year. That's not bad, especially considering you can travel almost anywhere in the world. Businesses, governments, and all big organizations employ cybersecurity professionals to keep their data safe. And to get started, all you need is some basic computer skills, an interest for cybersecurity, and the ability to problem solve. So, what are you waiting for? Does cybersecurity sound like the right industry for you? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity content like this.